Hi, hello, welcome to our channel Missan TV. This is Shanvi. Today we are with Genclears Pharma Private Limited COO and Janurved Research Head Dr. Ramakrishna Aradhyula. Let's talk and have a discussion. Hi sir, namaste. How are you, sir?
Namaste. Fine, fine.
In everyone's life today is the pimples is the major problem. When seeing it is mostly seen in teenagers. So I heard that there is a solution for that acne problem, which is Covistrum. So give me some details about that.
See, Covistrum is a product which we have designed that name post-COVID situation, keeping in our mind. See, Covistrum, COVID, and strum is colostrum, from colostrum. See, cow's first milk is called colostrum. This is the product. In fact, it is made up of cow's first colostrum, first milk, or we call it as colostrum. See, you just asked me a question about the pimples in a general language, or in medical terminology it is called acne vulgaris. Acne vulgaris is comprises, number one is whiteheads, blackheads, papules and pimples. See, these are all the terminology is different, but root cause is the one and the same. Because see, hair follicles is clogged or plugged with this particular oil which is secreted from the body, that itself is called sebum. And along with that particular dead cells of the skin, dead tissue or dead skin cells of the skin, it is plugged in this particular holes. This is called pimples or acne vulgaris.
Okay.
So though it is not that problematic, but it may turn into problem because of the bacterial infection later on. That particular bacteria is called QT bacteria.
Okay.
And later on this may leads to inflammation. And of course, some people may get light temperature, fever and everything once it is infected. Not only that, see, there's a area of the cosmetology or cosmic problem, the beauty problem. See, beautiful cheeks will turn into dirty. And of course, they may not move in the society as usually, especially females and males also. Another problem with that, the moment they identify that there is a red, what you call swollen or bump part on the skin or on the face, they always pinch it and they remove it with their hand and everything. That leads to the further problem. This is because that blackheads and whiteheads and papules. Papules is that when underneath the skin, the pus cells are formed along with the dead cells of the skin. This may turn into red and bumpy substances and lesions and everything. What happens is this may create a little problem later on. But however, when you want to have the cosmetic appeal or a good appeal without disturbing your beauty or looks and everything, you need to cure this.
Okay.
And the product what you have suggested in the morning, just now you told me that Covistrum. Yes, definitely Covistrum is a very good product for acne vulgaris.
Yeah.
Because of various factors. There are certain factors which is responsible for this acne vulgaris is number one, hormonal changes. Hormonal changes, normally it occurs during this particular teenage.
Yeah.
So the changes of this hormone may result in this particular pimples or acne vulgaris.
Nowadays, most of the problem is like pollution and also...
Pollution is also added this thing. And because of the inhaled pollution or inhaled air and dirty these things and free radicals, these are all responsible for the acne vulgaris. Second thing is unusual stress. See, nowadays youth is subjected to the heavy stress.
Yeah.
The stress is for various factors, not one. Advancement for the fast life for advancement and the junk foods and all these things are responsible. And certain medications also responsible for this acne vulgaris. Certain medications. Stress and the diet what you eat, especially junk foods and all these foods may result in this particular factor. The sebum, if the sebum secretion is higher than the normal level, see, normally you require certain oily substance to be released to maintain the intact of your skin. So what happens is if it is in excess, it gets clogged or it gets plugged in this particular hair follicles and may result into pimples or papules, whatever it may be. Sometimes what happens is together with pus cells, this may form into infection and QT bacterium will reach there and inflammation will come and later on it will turn into this thing. If you take some medications, okay, this may disappear but scars will remain.
Yeah.
The problem is if you take the medicines, it may worsen it further because certain medications also causes this particular pimples.
While using this Covistrum medicine, we won't get scars also.
No, scars also will disappear.
Okay.
Because Covistrum contains not only immune factors, immunoglobulins, that's what morning or the other, in the other last episode I told. See, Covistrum is nothing but cow's first milk.
Yeah.
Cow's first milk. See, as long as the baby is in the womb of the mother, no bacteria, no virus can disturb that, because womb is the highest sterile chamber in the world. The moment child comes out, lots of crores of bacteria will attack that particular child. Nothing will happen to him because he got the immunity from her mother, which we call it as the innate immunity.
Yeah.
Later on, we give the adaptive immunity through vaccines and everything. This particular first adaptive immunity also is transferred from mother to child through her first milk. Mother's first milk and cow's first milk is one and the same,
Okay.
if not more. Why? Because IgG is the one important content, immunoglobulin G, the factor, it is very high in the cow's milk. It is to the tune of 70%, whereas mother milk contains only 20%. Because of various procedures what we follow to make it as a tablet, we may lose some particular IgG, but we have stabilized it up to 30%. So why? That is the reason this particular product is very good for acne vulgaris.
Yes.
And not only immune factors, immunoglobulins, there are growth factors, which is very, very important for the treatment of this particular acne vulgaris. Along with the lactoferrin, there is one substance called lactoferrin, and this particular epithelial growth factors, which is responsible to clear this particular acne vulgaris and to clear the debris, to clear the pus cells and everything, and without any scare, this particular Covistrum will cure this condition.
Yes, sir. Sir, while we are comparing with other products which is available in market and Covistrum, why should we use Covistrum only?
Covistrum is nothing but milk.
Yeah.
Cow's first milk. So there is no question of side effects.
Okay.
Number one. Second thing is your body's own immunity, which we are giving it in other form. That means what you got from your mother, same thing we are giving through cow's milk, because cow's milk is more than mother. People will say cow is, that is the reason in Hindu scriptures in India we pray cow as the god.
Yeah.
Go Lakshmi. See, that is the reason probably perhaps all scriptures gave very high important position to the cows.
Yeah.
Because it gives you everything through her first milk.
Sir. Yeah.
You may ask me one question, is this cow's milk is only for human being? It is in fact for her baby. We are stealing that and we are making it as tablet. In fact, that's a fantastic product. It is because of its particular rich factors, especially epithelial growth factors, insulin-like growth factors, fibroblast growth factors. These are all the factors available in this particular Covistrum tablet.
Yes.
This will take care of this particular acne vulgaris.
Yes, sir. How can we get this product available?
See, product is easily available. You can see the number which is displayed under my name. This particular number, you please call to this number. My telecallers will answer you. And this product is delivered at your doorsteps.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.